Hello everyone, I have a special video today. It is part 2 of my beads and blooms videos. I'm going to be showing everything other than the bead mixes. So there was a ton of things that came in this kit. And so yeah, just want to show you all the things. Pre-registration for Summer Camp 2022 is open right now on the Jessie James Beads website. And yeah, this was a super fun event, and I'm sure Summer Camp is going to be as fun, if not more fun. This is just like an example. Hopefully you will have seen the bead video, and now you're going to see everything else, and so you'll see an example of all the amazing things that come in these kits. All right, so let's check everything out. Oh my goodness. I think I want to look at things in the order of the list here. So in my previous video, I went through all these beads, okay? So the next item would be the ombre fairy silk. Oh yeah. And here it is. It's beautiful, like rose and cream colors. So I will show you from one end to the other. So beautiful. I was on the website the other day, and there are actually several colors of ombre fairy silk on the website. So if you are interested in that kind of a look, which I am for sure, check out this color and the other colors that they have on the website. Next is a Keychain Finding, which I believe is this. I love these kinds of findings for keychains because you have a lobster clasp. Looks like you get two here. You get a lobster clasp and a key ring, a split ring for keys. So you can clip it to your bag with the lobster clasp, and you can put your keys on the ring. So that's awesome. Next, there are two colors of chain reaction chain. And here they are. They come in plastic for protection because, as you can see, they have many beads on them. So it keeps the beads very nice. I would describe these as being kind of like off-white and tan, maybe. I could be wrong about that. Very pretty gold. And these beads are a bluish color. Very cool because it's kind of like a mysterious blue, but then it reflects a lighter blue on top, which is very, very pretty. And that same beautiful gold tone chain. Yes. Next we have leather end findings, 2 styles. I believe, even though they're not packaged together, I think these are the 2 different styles. These bright silver toned ones here, and then these nickel finish ones here. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Ear wires. Okay, wait a minute. There are more than one set of ear wires. So far it's been indicating when there's more than one pair of things. Toggle clasp, 2 styles. Those are really nice. Soft flex crimps, 10 count. That would be these, I believe. Soft flex wire in rhodochrosite. Pink rhodochrosite. So pretty. Love this shade of pink. And now for the first 2 tiara cast items, we have the stitch around teardrop frame and the French hook earring pair. There's a hole at the pointy end. How cool are these? Vine hook and eye clasp set. So elegant. I love it. Blossom Guru bead. Ooh, I have to take that out and look at it. I remember seeing the tutorial on that. These are really cool beads. Okay, let me show you that. So cool. Heishi 4mm disc beads, which I believe are these. Crimp covers. There are two. They're kind of mated there. And an apple blossom button, which is this beauty here. Very pretty. Now for the Leather Cord USA products. The first one here is 3mm periwinkle, and here it is. One millimeter petal. One millimeter absinthe. And 1.5mm natural brown. Next are the John Bead products, Forget-Me-Not Check and Seed Bead Set, plus a bonus stringing wire and needle. I believe that's all in here. Yep, wow, there's a lot in here. I haven't heard of John Bead before. Look at all these colors. I'll do one at a time. These are pretty large. These ones are faceted. Oh, these ones are like flower shaped. A spring green color. And this beautiful rose kind of color. And here is the beading thread. Now for the Beadalon products. First is Wildfire .006 Black. Full spool! Oh my goodness. And that would be this. Full spool of black. Look at that. Oh. Mine has like fibers, probably from the tote bag. Big eye needle. Now that's a big eye needle. Dapped and spring ear wires. Number 12 hard beading needle, which is in here. Hopefully you can see it. Small lobster clasp. I'm assuming this is the small lobster clasp that they're referring to and not this one, because this is like the leather one, I think. Gallery wire, which I had never heard of before. But this is what it looks like. And it was used, this hasn't been mentioned on the list yet, but it was used to wrap around this cabochon. 18 gauge gold artistic wire. 22 gauge gold. I have 22 gauge brass, which isn't mentioned anywhere else, so I'm assuming it was a last minute substitution. 24 gauge gold artistic wire full spool, which is this one here. $18 gauge silver artistic wire. 20 gauge silver. And I have 20 gauge gold left over, so maybe it was, I don't know, maybe it was like mislabeled, the gauge. I'm not sure. But whatever, I don't know if it matters that much. Here are all the beading wires that didn't come in a full spool, just so we can see them all together. And the last item here is their 19 strand wire, which is an entire spool. And here that is. Satin silver, very pretty color. Goes with pretty much everything. Every project that's silver toned. This is such great beading wire. Next we have Toho Sister Sunset 11 out of 0 seed bead set. I believe that's the smallest size seed bead that you can get. And here they are. This was a really cool tutorial. I'm noticing that this cabochon wasn't on the list. So let's take a look. So cute. Next is the Dress It Up Beads in Bloom Embellishment Pack. I have been waiting for this video to open it. I'm so excited. So cute. Look at all of this sparkly goodness and adorable everything. Oh, look at this. Look at these flowers. I absolutely love, I hadn't seen this like pattern before or whatever. And I love the design so much. Oh my goodness. Everything is so cute. Look at the bees. Oh my goodness. And the flutterbies. Daisies. And the last but certainly not least item is the Beads of Courage Carry a Bead Kit. Here it is. These beads are beautiful. Team Beads of Courage. Very cool. Pause to read. This is mica. This is such a cool thing that Jessie James Beads does. Yes, all right. But wait, there's more. This pink tote bag. So of course I can't get it all in one shot here. There's not enough space. But yeah, there's this beautiful pink tote bag. So neat. Yes. This completes my video. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Take care.